Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, I want to share a little story with you, something to hopefully bring a smile to your face. It's a simple story about an old man named Arthur and his scruffy little dog Pip. Arthur lived in a quiet little town where not much ever happened. His favorite part of the day was his morning walk to the park with Pip. Pip, a terrier mix with more personality than fur, had a peculiar habit. Every single morning, without fail, as they passed the town's small bakery, Pip would stop, sit, and refused to move until Arthur went inside. The first few times, Arthur was a bit flustered. But he soon realized what was happening. Mrs. Gable, the baker, had a soft spot for the little dog. Each morning she would have a tiny, broken piece of a dog-friendly biscuit ready for Pip. It became their little ritual. Arthur would go in, buy a loaf of bread, and Mrs. Gable would sneak the treat to him for Pip. One Tuesday, Arthur was feeling unwell and couldn't go for their walk. He worried Pip would be disappointed. He looked out his window and saw Pip sitting patiently by the front door, tail wagging expectantly. An hour passed then too. Arthur felt a pang of guilt. Just then he heard a gentle knock at the door. When he opened it, he found Mrs. Gable standing on his porch, holding a warm loaf of bread in one hand and a small paper bag in the other. "I noticed you didn't come by this morning," she said with a kind smile. "I was worried, and I figured someone might be missing his treat." She handed him the bread and then bent down to give Pip his biscuit. Pip yapped with joy, his tail wagging so hard his whole body wiggled. Arthur's heart felt so full it could burst. In a quiet town where not much happened, it was these small acts of kindness, these little connections between a man, a dog, and a baker, that made life truly wonderful. Sometimes the best things in life aren't big events, but the small, consistent bits of kindness we share with each other. I hope that little story warmed your heart a bit today. Thanks for listening, and I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more stories.